Good afternoon, kids. In today's lecture, this is lecture number 4. Already we are studying about personality. In previous lecture, up till now, we have studied about what do we mean by personality. We have studied about the different definitions of personality, and in last two lectures, we have also undergone through the major factors which affect the personalities. In today's lecture, we will be discussing about more three major factors which affects your personality, which shapes the pupil's personality in better way, such as he can become a person of a groomed personality. In continuation of the lecture, let us begin with the topic school. School plays a key role, a period role in shaping the personality of pupil. All of you have been participated in various extracurricular activities during your school days. In that activities, have you ever thought of why the school organize different curricular activities, or why the education board have given the importance of curricular activities in regular syllabus of education? How does the curriculum shapes a pupil in better way, such that by participating in curricular activities, how the group of students, the group of class, the group of people participating in it get boosted with personality and also learns some enhanced qualities like leadership, like team skill, like volunteerness, and many more. In detail, let us study about these things. The schools. Always you have listened about taught school is a temple of education. In support of that, school also plays an important role in shaping personality, in giving the better citizens to nation of India, and also the better person who have the groomed personalities. The class teachers, the vocational programs, the curricular activities, all together clubs and shapes a particular thing, so that the pinnacle point can be reached by the students studying in that particular organization, might be school, might be college, might be any extra tuitions or anything else. If you are very good at your school level, if you are quite interactive, if you are a team player, then definitely qualities like good leadership, qualities like decision making, qualities like honesty, all will be developed inside you slowly but steadily. So school plays a main role always in shaping of the personality. Let us talk about another factor, that is mass media. बच्चा लोग, in today's world the mass media is very much important. I am not against mass media, but what I feel, I am sharing with you that up till class 12, the pupils, the students should not include mass media as their daily part of the life. No doubt, mass media have a very good thing. All the positive things are there. The sources of knowledge are there. But this is the age, this is the boat which can turn in any direction with the flow of any tide or wave. You can say the flow or the affection will be more towards the negative as compared to the positive side. So limitations of mass media should be there. If you watch over the news channels, the social media sites, whatever it may be Facebook, maybe Twitter, maybe Instagram, maybe Line, maybe Lemon, maybe LinkedIn, maybe Orkut, anything. All the social media contents are not so much suitable to younger mind, the minds like you. You guys are like a shape of water. In whatever vessel you keep your thoughts, the thought takes the shape. If you browse the positive things, your brain, your mind becomes positive. But if you browse the negative contents, slowly you are grabbing down, you are going down towards the negative thoughts, the negative pinnacles of the points, and after that, when you realize that you have already came in the negative dark brown, then it is very difficult to come out. So there should be the limitations of mass media in use, especially by the students or the school going kids. try to avoid as much as you can avoid. Nowadays, it is normal thing going on the Facebook. You might already hear about Facebook bullying. What they are doing, they are targeting any one guy and they are making some jokes. But the guy on which the jokes are made, sometimes the students or a group of students make a joke of a particular student in a class and they post it on social media. It have very much negative effect. The student for whom or related to whom the posts are posted on the Instagram or Facebook, they might let the student into the world of depression also. Might be he go into the world of crime, might be he will be dragged in anxiety, disorders or any other things. So limit the mass media. Last is the culture. From where we come up, this Mother Earth, the nature, have given us an entire universe, entire earth to live upon. The fresh airs, these oxygenate us, the fresh thoughts, the sound of the bells, sound coming from the mosque, from the churches, from anywhere, gives you the positive vibes. But there also we must be very careful in shaping of our personality. What are the things necessary? What are the things we should include? What are things we cannot include? With this, you can conclude that from all the personality shaping factors, culture is also an important part and unpardonable part. From whichever community you come, you carry the thought and historical background and the affection of that community you may carry, and that represents your personality in different way. Means the level of thinking which your mind delivers, which your mind narrates, which your mind absorbs, your mind becomes like that. Your thoughts become like that, and you become like that. So with this, you can say about the cultures playing an important and immediate roles in shaping of personality. And that will be all. Thank you.